Okay, here already have our apron, and we are going to use a conventional iron. So the first things that we are going to do is try to erase all the fabric marks with our iron. We can't not use steam here in this part because we need to get our fabric dry. It cannot be wet. Okay, so much better. Some fabrics are a little more hard to erase the marks. And I forget to tell you guys, but the temperature have to be the maximum temperature on your iron. Okay, so now you have to be careful because of course it's hot. We're going to put a little piece of our design in the place that we want it. So first, going to put the horn. You can use a roller or a measuring tape to put it in the right place. Okay. If you are not sure, you can watch your design. Okay. Now the hair. Let's see if I can remember the order. Yeah. I will just make the presentation of every color and then I will separate them and stamp it one by one. I just want to make sure that everything is in the right side, in the right place. Okay, beautiful guys. I think my daughter will be super happy with her apron. So okay, we are going. I will going to grab the whole piece of hair to don't lose the order. Like that. So then the only thing that we are going to do is put the purple piece and then we are going to put out the other one, and then the silver, the light blue, the pink, and at the end the green one. So okay, now we can check again if everything's in the right place. I think it's not. Okay, now it's better. Okay guys, I will going to use that Teflon sheet. If you don't have Teflon sheet, you can use another fabric to protect your apron in that case, because sometimes get direct contact between the iron and your fabric can't match the fabric and the vinyl. Okay, so I will use the Teflon, and if you can see here in the instruction, set with a normal pressure. We will have to press for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so I will going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we can check, we can try to see if it's work. We can try to cool it a little bit. And yes, wow, that was fast. We're going to see here, and perfect. Look. Okay, now with the horn. So we put the Teflon sheet again, and we put our iron in the horn side. Perfect. Now the ear, and that's it. I like it. So now I will put the pink part of the ears right there, and the other one here. And I will put the first part of the hair. And I will put out the other colors. That's it. So I will put the iron, that's put in horizontal position to try to reach all the part that I want to stamp now. And we count again 15 seconds. Okay, perfect. Now I will put it again, but now if we want, okay, yeah, it will be better put the whole thing here, and if we have to make some adjust, we can do it over here. Perfect. Okay, and now we are going to put the last color over here. And we are going to count again 15 seconds. Okay, good. So if you want to be sure that everything it's in the right place, you can pass one more time your iron. Okay, and ready. We have a beautiful design in our apron, ready to make a gift, ready to one of our kids or whatever you want. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your comments, for your reviews. I really appreciate it. And if you want to continue watching the videos, the only thing that you have to do is subscribe in our channel, share our videos, and give us a like, please. I always get fun recording videos and making videos for you. And this is our new product that we are going to have for you. The package have 15 colors, and you can see what is the quality. Look the glitter. Wow, it's a super good effect, a super good material. Look, I can scratch it and nothing happened. And look, here I have, let me see if I can do it. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors, and if we use the right design, you can do it without problems. Look at that black, beautiful, right? I'm pretty sure that my daughter will be super happy. So okay guys, don't forget watching all our videos and watching the next videos that I will prepare with love for you. Okay, bye. See ya. If you have questions, just let me know and I will answer you. I will be answering your question as soon that I can. Okay? Thank you so much for watching us and see you in the next video. Bye bye.